In the previous videos, we made the length and width of our product editable by using sliders. In this video, we will learn how to make the material editable using a selection list. To do this, we first create a new field group. We leave out the name as it will only contain one visible field. New elements are always created below the old ones, but we can grab them by the icon on the left and move them to change the order. We open the field group and create a field for the material. We change the data type to text and the field type to selection list. We now see the value domain entries section appear at the bottom and create entries for our materials there. The label is displayed to users in the selection list. The value is what can be evaluated in calculations. The key is a unique identifier for the list entry, which may be used for filtering lists, among other things. We then select one of the list entries as the default value. Next, we create a hidden field for the price of the material. As it is not displayed, it does not need a name, just a unique identifier. The data type remains number and the field type is set to hidden. Now we link the input field material with the hidden field material price using a material price formula. The calculation type is mapping. The source is the material field and the target is the material price field. We can now see that the mapping entry has been created for each possible value of the material field. We set our respective material prices as the output values in these entries. In the preview, we see that selecting a different material does not yet change the price. A look at the calculation graph shows us why. Although the material price is calculated in the material pricing calculation, it is not used in the actual pricing calculation. To change this, we open the pricing calculation and replace the fixed value 60 with the variable material price. We can now see that the price changes depending on the material and dimensions. Next, we will learn how to display a different image for each material. To do this, we scroll down and upload some more images. To make it easier for people who use a screen reader to use the website, each image should have a meaningful alternative text. After saving, we see that all three images are displayed in the configurator. To control which images are displayed, we create a calculation of the type filter. We select the material field as the source. By selecting the option Create for each input value, a separate filter is created for each possible material. The field to be filtered is called Images. This is a static field, which means it is always available and does not need to be created before. Now we open our new calculation and select the images to be displayed for each value in the value mapping. In the preview, we can now see how the image changes when the material is changed.